Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. If you're planning a renovation project in Geneva or the surrounding region, this short introduction will help you understand how we typically approach projects and what you can expect when starting a conversation with us. Many clients contact us when they are beginning to explore a renovation and are not always sure what the process should look like or how to structure a project in a way that protects both their budget and the quality of the final result. So this video is simply meant to give you a clear overview of how we work and whether our approach might be the right fit for your project. The first step when someone contacts us is usually a discovery conversation. This is not a sales call. It's really an alignment conversation. During this call, we try to understand what you're hoping to achieve with your renovation, the type of space you are working with, and the level of planning or support you might need. At the same time, it gives you the opportunity to understand how we work and whether our approach aligns with what you're looking for. Fit matters both ways, and our goal is always to make sure that the structure of the project truly serves your goals. One of the key ideas behind how we approach renovation projects is something called early contractor involvement. In residential renovations, especially when multiple trades are involved, many of the challenges that people experience on projects come from decisions being made too late or without enough understanding of the technical constraints of the space. When the design process and the execution team are aligned early in the project, it becomes much easier to plan the work properly, sequence the trades efficiently, and make decisions in a calm and structured way. Good planning doesn't eliminate every possible surprise, but it allows those surprises to be anticipated and managed rather than becoming stressful disruptions during construction. For that reason, instead of asking clients to commit immediately to a full construction contract, we structure projects in clear stages. This allows the project to evolve step by step so that you can make decisions with confidence and clarity. The first step is typically an on-site consultation and preliminary feasibility study. During this stage, we visit the property, review the existing conditions, discuss your goals for the space, and begin evaluating what is technically and financially realistic. This stage helps us understand the structure of the project and develop an initial sense of the potential scope and budget. Importantly, this stage is simply about gathering the right information so that you can make informed decisions. It is not a commitment to move forward with construction. If everything aligns and you wish to continue, the project then moves into a design and planning phase. During this stage, we work with you, sometimes alongside an architect or interior designer, to refine the design of the space, explore material selections, and align the design with the technical realities of the project. This is where the vision for the space becomes a clear and realistic plan. At the same time, we refine the budget so that the project remains aligned with your expectations. Once the design and budget are clearly established, the project moves into the construction preparation phase. During this stage, we begin sequencing the work, coordinating trades, confirming materials, and preparing a clear project timeline. At the end of this process, you are presented with a construction agreement based on real planning rather than assumptions. By the time a construction contract is signed, the project is already well defined, which greatly reduces uncertainty and helps the project move forward smoothly. This approach tends to work best for projects where clients are making a meaningful investment in their home or real estate property, and where careful coordination between design, planning, and execution will have a major impact on the final result. At the same time, not every renovation requires this level of structure, and that's completely okay. Our goal is simply to make sure that when we do take on a project, it is organized in a way that supports a calm and well-managed renovation experience. If this approach resonates with you, the next step is simply to schedule a discovery conversation where we can learn more about your project and see whether our process might be the right fit. You are also welcome to send us an email describing your project if that feels more natural for you. Either way, we look forward to learning more about what you're planning and help you take the next step in a thoughtful and well-structured way. Thank you for watching.